In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep an Excel row fixed, a handy trick that will make navigating through large spreadsheets a breeze, ensuring that important header information remains visible as you scroll through your data. First things first, to access the necessary tools for this process, you'll need to head over to Microsoft 365 Online. This is a free web-based version of Microsoft's popular Office suite, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's a fantastic resource for those who need to access their documents on the go or from different devices. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 online page, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button and click on it. If you're already logged into another Microsoft service like Outlook, you might not need to sign in again, but if not, this is where you'll need to enter your credentials. Speaking of credentials, you'll be prompted to type in your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. It's important that this step is completed accurately to ensure a smooth login process. After typing your email, click on the Next button to proceed. At this point, if you're like me and prefer to practice on an existing file rather than starting from scratch, it's a good time to open up the file you'll be working with. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using an example file that's already saved in my OneDrive. Microsoft's integration across its services means you can easily pull up any document saved in OneDrive through Excel Online. Now, with our document opened, let's dive into the actual process of fixing a row. Look towards the top of the Excel Online interface for the View option in the toolbar. Clicking on View will reveal several options, but the one we're interested in today is Freeze Panes. This feature is crucial for locking a row in place. After clicking Freeze Panes, you'll see a few options pop up, but for most cases, you'll want to select Top Row. What this does is lock the topmost visible row of your spreadsheet, making it a fixed point of reference as you scroll through your data. This is particularly useful if your top row contains headers for your columns, as it keeps this information visible, ensuring you don't lose track of what data belongs in which column. And there you have it. That's all it takes to keep a row fixed in Excel Online. This feature is a simple yet incredibly effective way to enhance your productivity, especially when dealing with extensive datasets. Remember, the key to efficiency is knowing how to utilize the tools at your disposal, and Freezing Panes in Excel is one such tool that can significantly impact your workflow. Moreover, it's worth mentioning that this process is not just limited to rows. If you find yourself needing to keep a particular column visible instead, the steps are just as straightforward. Instead of selecting top row in the Freeze Panes options, you would choose first column, applying a similar principle but horizontally. In summary, whether you're compiling data, analyzing trends, or just trying to maintain a cleanly organized spreadsheet, mastering the art of freezing panes in Excel can be a game changer. So next time you find yourself scrolling through rows and rows of data, losing sight of your headers, just remember this simple trick to lock them in place. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your Excel experience. Keep practicing, exploring, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for more Excel tips and tricks. Happy spreadsheeting!